Welcome to another episode of Wilson's Fine Woodworking. Today we're going to talk about trimming plywood on the edge on the jointer. Now you'll notice this piece of plywood here has an X right there. The reason is when I put it away months ago, I knew that it wasn't parallel from one side to the other. It's out by a 1/16. This end is a 1/16 wider than this end. And what you can do is take that 1/16 off the one end only on the jointer. And here's how. This is the end that needs the cut, okay? And that's the end I start with. My jointer is already preset at a 1/16. I need to take a 1/16 off this end. But I'm not going to cut it all the way in. I'm only going to go in a little wee bit. Because if I try to go through all the way, it'll chip out on the end. That's what happens with plywood. Okay, I'm going to turn on the fan now. And you watch. This is the end that is too wide by a 1/16. The lid goes in first. And I'm only taking a little wee bit, about an inch off the end. Not even that, just a little wee bit, notice? Now, you turn it around. We don't want to take anything off this end, so what we do is, we lift it over the jointer knives, just to let it go to the other side. We're taking 0 off that end, 1/16 off this end, holding tight to the fence, slowly. There we go, nice and smooth. Okay, it took 0 off that end, and finished the cut at 1/16 here. And when we remeasure, we have 11. And we have 11, right on. Hope that can help you. It's even a way to square up plywood, because you can also do it to the ends. And then you might be able to put it in your table saw and have a little better luck squaring up material. Thank you.